Hey traders, I just wanted to give you a quick update to the Aussie dollar USD US dollar trade I had talked about earlier. I was waiting for a we got a break and I was waiting for the retest so I can take a long here, excuse me, and take it up to the highs there. We were working off of the 4 hour chart, right? And this is what I left you with. And it seems price just kept going, boom, right? But did it give us a chance? I'm thinking, at first glance, you would think, oh, price didn't come and get us. Well, it didn't come get me, rather. I happen to know some people were a little sharper with the eye and saw, and they let me know that, hey, great trade, man. We're in profit. And I was like, I thought it missed. Hold on. Then I took a closer look. What we need to do is go down and see why I have this red dotted line there. Go down to the 1 hour, and you can see the break and retest happened for sure. It just didn't happen here at this level. At the what level was it? 7757. It happened at 7765. Here is the point of the break and the retest. This was the retest, rather. All right. Remember, price is a zone. I mean, the levels are zones. It's not just one line, right? So, you can't, that's why I have this blue area, the blue area here, right? But normally, I would have the blue area to the top of the wicks into the body, to right around here to the base. That's what I would normally have, but I don't like it when it's too wide because that's too much. It's too much room for, price could hit here or price could come down to the middle line or down to the end line. So I went down to the bodies, which I do sometimes. I went down to the bodies. If I can just get this down to the bodies, like I just said, there you go. Okay. You're going to drive me crazy today. That's okay. That's okay. All right. That's all right. You trying to embarrass me. That's fine. You know what I mean? Okay. Let me see if I can get that. There you go. It got me again. Okay. So I had it down to these wicks here, here, here. And I thought that was a good level to get. Okay. I was wrong. Here's the level right here. The top of this wick. Because that's where price came back and retested. It was in the zone. See these wicks of rejection? The wicks of rejection here? Look across, just directly across, you see that's exactly where price found resistance, and that's where price turned it into support and came back and retested there. If we can move this, if you were able to see that, like some other subscribers were, you could have got in here. All right. And for me, on a break and a retest, I'm going to get in on the strength of the momentum candle. And this is the momentum candle here. And I would have gotten in here. I would have put my stop loss probably under the level. And I would have been looking for the next support. I told you we would have this as a TP1, and you would have been in pretty good profits right now. I would tell you, you could have seen as much as 35 pips of 34 anyway, almost 35 pips of profit just from here. But if you got in more aggressively down here, if you got in more aggressively on the break and the retest, you could have been up almost 50 pips. And that's not even at the point of contact. you could have got it off the wick. Some people are more aggressive that way. This is a more conservative entry here, but you would have been in great profit right now. So the next time I talk about breaking a retest, I'll be a little bit more explicit with at what point somebody should consider an entry. I won't be as vague, but I'm hoping that if you're listening to this, if you're watching this, I'm hoping that you benefited from the analysis. The analysis was there. The entry, uh, I didn't give the exact entry, and I don't. I tend not to do that because I don't want to be giving financial advice. All right, this is just education, and I'm just sharing my analysis. But I'm hoping that you find it beneficial. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video.